I've removed this pigtail because I'm going to use an actual plug connection. We're going to match the colors here. As you can see, we've got black, white, and ground. And this is a 240 volt connection on this unit. You're going to see here you have a cable holder. Remove the screw, pull the cover out. So now we have the power wire. Again, if it's a 24,000 or a 36,000 BTU, it's a 240 volt circuit. As you can see here, I have a 240 volt plug. Now we're going to connect the wires from the indoor section. So we're going to connect those all to the associated positions. Okay, very simple. I'm going to put our wire retainer. That's going to maintain those connections.